Hey guys, this is Mrs. Schramm. I just wanted to hop on in and kind of explain what we will be doing for Wednesday, September 2nd. The first thing I have listed here is to do 20 minutes of Alexia on your own. So, the trick is you can only do that if you finished the rapid assessment Monday. So if you did not finish the rapid assessment yet, which I just checked is quite a few people for my online learners, you have to take that rapid before it will assign current lessons to you. So if you need those instructions, those are in Monday's announcement. For the people who finish the rapid, just click this link to go to Alexia, and then you can log in here and then go ahead and get started working in the program. If you need specific instruction, please let me know. There's the 3 areas to work in. There's the grammar, word study, and comprehension. For today, just choose an area to start working. And then once I have the rapid reports from everybody, I'll kind of give you suggestions on what area to work in each time. After Lexia, just a little bit of time to finish up that This Is Me video in Animoto. I still don't have that from everybody, so I want to make sure you have a little bit of time to finish that. Then we're going to do this activity, Lost at Sea, so that on Friday we can start reading our first story. So I'm going to click this little link. Okay, so here's the activity. This first part kind of describes the background, okay, and what you're going to get set up for. And then you're going to come down here and rank these items in this column 1 through 15, what you think would be most useful, and then 15 would be not good at all, hardly need it. So you guys are just going to do that part. And then I'm going to post later the ranking for the Coast Guard, and you can see how it compares. You will be able to turn this in. I will make sure that that ranking is in the module on Canvas. And last thing, once you have the ranking, please fill in this column here before you submit. So do your ranking first, then compare and submit. Last thing for Wednesday, there are some reading notes here. There is a slideshow that goes with these notes if you need it. This will be what I focus on during the Zoom time. So you can follow along with the presentation in class, as well as I will make sure the notes in the PowerPoint are posted here on Canvas under modules to help you fill these in. These notes also need turned in. I'll show you that module real quick as well. So, Most Dangerous Game is where we're at. Here is the Lost at Sea activity. Make sure that's on. And then this is the PowerPoint where you're going to get the information you need for those notes, okay? PowerPoint, conflict, external, all that good stuff, okay? And then if I go back, the notes are right below that. Okay, so these are the notes that you will fill out that go along with the PowerPoint to turn in. That's everything for Wednesday. Please let me know if you have any questions. Hop on Zoom tomorrow if you need to chat, and we will go from there. Have a good night.